Hey, how y'all doing? Pat here. I am getting ready for a multi-day, multi-state trip. I don't have a real set itinerary. That bridge up there, that is my exit from Ohio to West Virginia. Puts a smile on my face every time I see that sign and see that bridge. It knows I've got some kind of adventure in front of me, whether I'm doing gravel or pavement, it doesn't matter. If you want to see what I'm getting ready to get into, because I'm not real sure what I'm going to be getting into, other than this weekend, spoiler alert, hey, look at the barge. But I'm not even going to talk about that. You'll just have to come back and find that video once it's published. But anyway, stick around, stay tuned, and I'll be back after this. I've been on the road, approximately 3 hours now. I'm in the great state of West Virginia, and I'm getting ready to stop up here for brunch. Found this on the internet today. Seems like a pretty cool place. Dodd's Grill. I don't think I'm going to be filming inside. I just don't like to do stuff like that, but well, breakfast was had a little over an hour ago now, and nice little restaurant. Service, I've had a lot better. But anyway, I am on 92 now on my way into Wilkins, West Virginia. Never been on this road before. Well, I just made a right-hand turn off of US 33 West. I am on Shortcut Road. I'm not sure what it's a shortcut to, but I believe this will take me to the area that I want to try to pitch a tent tonight. It's a beautiful tar and chip road. It's just, I'm in no hurry, so why go fast? To me, this is all about scenery, not about speed. Well, that road was fairly short-lived, and it turned into Whitmer Road here. This is beautiful. Well, we just hit our first gravel of the trip. Sure shouldn't be the last of it. Potomac Wildlife Management Area is where I am right now. Gandy Road is what this is called, if the GPS is correct. Look at the grouse. I'll be darned. Hey, I found traffic. Hey, look at the little waterfall over there. Well, those old gentlemen stopped to let me by. I think they thought they were holding me up, and they weren't, but that's okay. I am now in the Gandy Creek Dispersed Camping Area. This is kind of where I wanted to find something. I just don't know how you're going to know where it's okay and not. I would love to be next to the little river here. Downright chilly back here. It's in the low 60s. And it's the end of June. 23rd, I think? Well, I may have to do a 180 to find some campgrounds. They weren't overly well marked, and a bunch of them are full already. The ones I did see that looked really nice. The road is immaculate. I'll give it that. Heck, I could have done this on my touring bike. I've done worse on my touring bike when I had it. But yeah, this road's been in nice shape. We're not too far from Spruce Knob, West Virginia right now. Matter of fact, this road's supposed to take me to it. No camping within 300 feet of the road. Okay, are there free campsites on this road too? I don't know. I'll check back in later when maybe I figured something out. Well, I haven't been here in a while. Last time me and the wife were on a Jeep trip many years ago. Figured I'd do a quick pull in and turn around. For right now, I've got the bike up there. I just might ride it down here tonight, I don't know. But changed my mind. I moved over here. Just listen to this. This is what I was after. If that doesn't make you have to pee, what will? All right, we just left the campground, and wow, what a difference. I knew I had this bike loaded down, but I guess at the end of this trip, we'll have to go through everything, but I believe, within reason, I did bring just a couple of extra clothing items in case I get to do some hiking, but I've packed about as light as I can, but boy, did it really have the bike weighed down. It feels like a whole new machine right now. Wow. Camera will never do it justice, but just wow. Okay, I just had to stop here. This is freaking amazing. Cattle way up there. Cattle way down there. Didn't get to catch a whole sign back there, but it said something about Beaver Dam Cooperative. Laurel Fork Campground. Not that I'm going to stay here, but interesting. I think it's a little steep. I wonder if this is that road that I was on in the Jeep years ago with the width. I was on some road around here somewhere like this in the Jeep. Inquiring minds want to know. Would this be a good time to say, I don't have a freaking clue where I am or which way I should turn? Left or right? Oh, am I good at getting lost or what? Well, someone's been target shooting and they've been doing a decent job of it. You know, I really think that was the road that we took on the Jeep, because I remember it started out like this on tarmac, and then I made that left back there that was really just a right for me going this way, so cool. Alright, they didn't pave all of it, but If there was that much pavement last time, that was all brand new pavement. I sure don't remember it. Either way, it's still paradise back here. Wouldn't have cared if it stayed pavement or turned to gravel like it did. If I remember correctly, these switchbacks were nasty. That was even in the Jeep. Coming downhill of what I remember. Yep, because there's where people go up in their four-wheelers. Well, that wasn't so bad. Terrible clutch control, but not so bad. I hate the clutch in this bike. It needs more play. Yeah, this is definitely the road I took in the Jeep. Most indubitably.
Alright, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. If you would, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please smash that subscribe button. And, hey, I'll see you in the next video. Let's find out what happens tomorrow. I had dinner at the Steers Steakhouse in Elkins, West Virginia. Really nice buffet, and they had an order menu.